Pokemon Go is making everyone go absolutely bonkers. A new phenomenon has taken the US, Australia, and the Kiwis by storm, and soon the rest of the world. Pokemon Go was only released last week and is already on track to surpass Twitter in daily active users. Shares of Nintendo have already jumped over 20%. Pokemon Go is an app that puts players inside the world of Pokemon, where they can see and interact with objects like Pokeballs and Pokemon in the real world. Players try to catch them all, help them evolve, and take them to battle, all while leveling up themselves. Pokemon Go is now installed on more Android phones than Tinder. Hey, Pokemon Go's over hose. And why walk to the next Pokestop when you can drive? Enter car accidents. It's gotten so popular, even criminals are now using it to rob people. The mobile app has become so widely popular, it's even caused Americans to do the unthinkable: exercise. Just Google Pokemon Go and sore legs. Who knows what else it could do? And once the game goes global, one can only imagine.